Hello folks, today we are up in an attic and I wanted to show you some electrical issues that sometimes we occur. You see I got a whole bunch of wiring just laying around. Well, all wiring is supposed to be secured and see if I can get my light on this. As you can see, I'm trying to do a flashlight at the same time. Whoop, there you go. But look at this here. I don't think that this is what we call secured. Huh? See that? I don't think that. Let's get a better light on that. See how that, whoop, shucks, just gets on worse. Yeah, you know what? This is crazy. Yeah, so, but look at that, you know. I don't think we call that secured, and definitely is not safe. And look at, and there's the nails. It could have been easily nailed. Somebody just halfway did it. What this tells me is I probably had somebody that was not an electrician do this. Now I'm gonna come over here. I wanted to share with you this, and see, right in here, there is no Romex connectors. And you can see right into here, that's what's happening. Look at my wiring here. You know, it's not even inside of the box correctly. See if I can get a good visual of that. See that? The sheathing's off of it. You can even see inside of here. So if we got in here with a finger or something, you could get hurt. But it's all the way around. So this tells me the whole thing was probably been done by a handyman. And, you know, not that the wire exactly knows, but it doesn't make it safe. Anyway, folks, this is what you're looking for. And this is why you want to make sure you have somebody that actually knows what they're doing. Take a look at it. Oh, look at my octopus. Ooh, that's some crazy stuff. Thank you, folks. Have a great day. Thank you for watching our videos. Appreciate it. Hey, if you like them, hit like and subscribe. Share them with your friends and neighbors so they can know what you know, and you will be their consultant. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Bye.